Guys, Mac here, and today we're doing another World War II themed reaction video. And today we're doing the most terrifying sounds of World War II. So I thought I would do another World War II related video because you guys seem to enjoy the first one that I did. So I thought I'd do another one, and then the next uploads I do, I'll do music related. Let's go. Wow. Jesus. It's crazy. Another rocket launcher. Soviet. Jesus. Crazy. That one's cool. Air raids, yes. Imagine that. So that concludes the video. That was quite interesting. I definitely thought the first one, like the rocket ones, were probably definitely the scariest. Like, can you imagine like hearing that coming, or just seeing it, like that noise? I don't know how to make that noise, but yeah, that'd be crazy. And the artillery, hearing that like in the distance, just oh man, that'd be freaking scary, man. I wouldn't. That'd be. Yeah, that'd be scary. Yeah. And the air raid, like, can you imagine being in like your house or something, or just, doing whatever you were doing in 1940s and hearing like hundreds of planes coming and just the rattling and the shaking of the ground, and hearing the air raid siren and the bomb dropping. That'd be scary. And the MG42 getting shot by that would be insane, because that thing shreds. Yeah, anyways, this has been Casual Magpie, so this has been the most terrifying sounds of World War II. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down if you want me to react to any music or any albums or anything random now. So, yeah, peace.